Most beginner telescopes on Amazon are overpriced toys that barely show moon details. Buy the wrong one and you'll waste money and frustration for months. Ever tried to start stargazing and felt overwhelmed by options? Don't worry, this video will guide you to solid beginner telescopes that actually perform. Today I'm going to be going over the best telescope for beginners that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Gskyer Telescope. The optical system delivers bright, crisp images thanks to a 70mm aperture and 400mm focal length with careful coatings. This portable travel design slides easily into a bag and includes a dedicated carry bag for hassle-free transport. The kit includes 2 replaceable eyepieces and a 3x Barlow lens, expanding magnification options for observing celestial details. A smartphone adapter and wireless remote enable capturing celestial moments and sharing views without complicated setups on clear nights. The adjustable aluminum alloy tripod supports a steady viewing experience and folds compactly alongside the carry bag for travel. Setup is straightforward for beginners with intuitive alignment and a stable mount that minimizes vibration during casual observing sessions. In daylight tests, the telescope produced respectable sharpness on distant landscapes and staged demonstrations, illustrating its suitability for early astronomy education. The 400mm focal length paired with an f/5.7 design delivers balanced magnification and light transmission. Compared with the Celestron travel scope, this Gskyer feels more complete for beginners thanks to its wireless remote and phone adapter. The pros include easy setup, included carry bag, and wireless remote. The cons include modest aperture for deeper sky work and a basic mount that sometimes feels unstable under heavy eyepieces. The included phone adapter, wireless remote, and carry bag make it easy to share educational stargazing with family and friends. At a price of $96.99, this budget telescope offers good value for beginners. Overall, this Gskyer telescope offers an approachable path into astronomy with solid optics, portable design, and practical learning value. At number 4, we have the MEEZAA 80mm Refractor Telescope. Aimed at adults and kids aged 8 to 12, this beginner-friendly setup uses a premium brushed aluminum shell for durable, confident handling. The housing features a premium brushed aluminum shell that feels durable in daily use while remaining light enough for casual handling. The 80mm aperture paired with a 500mm focal length delivers brighter, sharper views of lunar textures and planetary details. The kit includes 2 eyepieces and a 3x Barlow, enabling magnification from 20 to 150 times for diverse targets. A 5x24 finder scope aids quick location, while a 45-degree zenith mirror provides upright images for easier viewing. The aluminum tripod adjusts from 16.92 inches to 44.48 inches, delivering viewing for kids and adults. This package includes a phone adapter for astrophotography and a waterproof backpack to guard and organize every accessory during outdoor adventures. Compared with the Celestron Power Seeker line, the MEEZAA offers simpler setup, better portability, and more beginner-friendly operation. The pros include 80mm aperture, premium brushed aluminum build quality, and a comprehensive accessories bundle for beginners and families. The cons include tripod setup fiddly and the need for additional eyepieces to maximize versatility. Field tests showed the fully multi-coated optics delivering bright, sharp images with minimal glare for both day and night viewing. During daytime observations, the telescope captures landscapes and wildlife with respectable color fidelity and bright, glare-resistant optics. Its waterproof backpack ensures protection and organized storage of the telescope and accessories on hikes or family trips. Overall, the MEEZAA 80mm Refractor Telescope offers a strong entry-level option with approachable setup and included travel accessories. At number 3, we have the NASA Lunar Telescope. From first glance, this kid-friendly telescope signals approachability with a cheerful color scheme and straightforward setup that invites curious families. The target audience clearly includes younger aspiring scientists, parents seeking shared activities, and teachers introducing astronomy through tangible, hands-on experimentation. The construction uses a sturdy plastic and metal blend that feels solid in hand while remaining lightweight enough for effortless repositioning during lessons. The included tabletop tripod and smooth mount system stabilize the view, enabling consistent lunar scans without wobble during observing sessions. Its compact dimensions fit neatly on a desk or sturdy table, making it ideal for apartment living or classroom corners. The optical glass and finder scope pair lets beginners locate the moon with low-power eyepieces before switching to higher magnification for detail. With a stated 90 times magnification, The instrument promises an impressively detailed lunar view when properly aligned and used with the included eyepieces. When compared to the Celestron first scope, the NASA Lunar Telescope provides a sturdier stand and steadier tracking, while the first scope stays more compact. During hands-on use, brightness and contrast remain steady under clear skies, with the finder scope guiding alignment before eyepieces reveal lunar texture. The overall experience for kids is engaging, with smooth motion and intuitive focus adjustments that encourage continued exploration. The kit benefits from an award-winning pedigree through Blue Marble and a long-standing commitment to educational, imaginative play with astronomy. The pros include sturdy build, engaging educational value, and affordable price point, making this kit a reliable starter telescope for families. The cons include limited magnification for advanced observers and a compact desk footprint that may feel cramped during extended viewing sessions. At number 2, we have the Luzsco Kids Telescope. From the moment you handle it, the lightweight chassis signals thoughtful engineering aimed at young explorers. Aimed at children ages 6 to 12, it balances educational value with simple operation that parents appreciate during quick stargazing sessions. The overall build quality borrows a robust yet affordable plastic that resists wear while maintaining a compact profile for easy storage. The telescope ships with 2 eyepieces, a finder scope, a sturdy tripod, and a Barlow lens, expanding the magnification options for budding astronomers. The magnification range of 20 to 100 times reveals lunar details and distant objects in a way that feels accessible to beginners. Setup is a breezy, guided process with clear instructions that help kids align, focus, and switch eyepieces without frustration. Multi-coated optics improve light transmission and reduce blur, delivering brighter and crisper views during moonlit observations. Educational value extends beyond stargazing, encouraging curiosity, scientific thinking, and hands-on learning through playful exploration. Its compact size and lightweight make backyard sessions and family camping nights easy to plan and carry. In real-world testing, observers report clear lunar features at higher magnifications when the tripod is steadied under calm conditions. The product offers solid value for families seeking an affordable entry point into astronomy without sacrificing basic usability. In a head-to-head with a typical 60mm beginner telescope, the Luzsco wins on ease of use and portability. The pros include lightweight design, easy setup, and kid-friendly accessories. The cons include limited aperture and plastic build. At number 1, we have the Dianfan Refractor Telescope. From a first glance, it feels approachable for kids and adults alike, with an 80mm aperture and bright, easy-to-understand optics. A key selling point is the fully multi-coated optics that boost light transmission, delivering brighter images during dusk. This model ships with 2 eyepieces and a 3x Barlow lens, enabling magnification from 20 times to 150 times. With 2 eyepieces and a 3x Barlow lens, magnification ranges from 20 times to 150 times for lunar detail. The assembly is straightforward, typically taking about 15 minutes, aided by a clear illustrated manual and color-coded components. The included phone adapter and water-resistant backpack maximize portability, enabling stargazing on patios, campsites, and family travels. Its versatility extends to the moon, bright planets, birds, and distant landscapes, making it a versatile companion for both astronomy and nature watching. During real-world testing, the optics produce bright, color-accurate images with steady views across extended observing sessions under typical suburban skies. For beginners and families, this Dianfan telescope offers approachable operation, solid optics, and bundled accessories at a budget-friendly price. When stacked against a comparable beginner option like the Celestron Power Seeker, the Dianfan wins on portability and simpler setup. The pros include easy to assemble, bright optics, and portable with backpack. The cons include limited light gathering compared to larger scopes and a somewhat basic tripod that wobbles in breezy conditions. For families and learners, the price remains approachable, pairing well with the included accessories for maximum value. Customer feedback reflects a solid 4.3 out of 5 rating from a vibrant community of beginner stargazers.